Welcome to this detailed pharmacology lecture on paracetamol syrup, one of the most commonly prescribed antipyretic and analgesic medicines in pediatric practice. In this video, we will discuss paracetamol syrup formulations of 125 meters G per 5 meters L and 250 meters G per 5 meters L, including dosing, mechanism of action, indications, adverse effects, contraindications, drug interactions, and monitoring parameters based strictly on standard medical textbooks. Generic and brand names. Paracetamol is also known as acetaminophen. In India, it is widely marketed under brand names such as Calpol, Crocin, Metacin, Febrix, and Parasip. These brands are available in multiple pediatric syrup concentrations to allow accurate weight-based dosing. Dosage forms available. Paracetamol is available in multiple dosage forms, but in children, syrup and drops are preferred due to ease of administration. The commonly used syrup strengths are 125 meters G per 5 meters L for infants and young children, and 250 meters G per 5 meters L for older children. Route of administration. Paracetamol syrup is administered orally. Oral administration is preferred in pediatric patients because it is safe, effective, and allows precise dose calculation based on body weight. Dose, pediatric dosing. The recommended pediatric dose of paracetamol is 10 to 15 milligrams per kilogram per dose, given every 6 to 8 hours. The maximum daily dose should not exceed 60 milligrams per kilogram to avoid liver toxicity. Mechanism of action. Paracetamol acts primarily in the central nervous system. It inhibits cyclooxygenase enzymes in the brain, leading to reduced prostaglandin synthesis. This explains its analgesic and antipyretic effects. Unlike NSAIDs, it has minimal peripheral anti-inflammatory action. Pharmacological actions. Paracetamol is classified as an analgesic and antipyretic drug. It is effective for pain and fever but has negligible anti-inflammatory activity, which makes it safer than NSAIDs for children. Indications. Paracetamol syrup is used to treat fever of any cause, including infections and post-vaccination fever. It is also effective for mild to moderate pain such as headache, toothache, and post-procedural discomfort. Side effects. At therapeutic doses, paracetamol is extremely safe. Mild side effects such as nausea or rash are rare. However, overdose can cause severe liver damage, making correct dosing crucial, especially in children. Contraindications. Paracetamol should not be used in patients with severe hepatic impairment or acute liver disease. Hypersensitivity reactions, though rare, are absolute contraindications. Precautions. Dose adjustment and caution are required in malnourished children and those with liver disease. Parents must be warned not to use multiple paracetamol-containing products simultaneously. Drug-drug interactions. Enzyme-inducing drugs increase toxic metabolite formation, raising the risk of hepatotoxicity. Chronic alcohol use in adolescents also increases liver toxicity risk. Drug-food interaction. Paracetamol has no significant food interactions and can be safely administered with or without food. Monitoring parameters. In routine short-term use, laboratory monitoring is not required. However, In prolonged therapy or overdose, liver function tests such as ALT and AST should be monitored. Overdose and toxicity. Paracetamol overdose is a medical emergency. Early symptoms may be mild, but severe liver failure can develop later. N-acetylcysteine is the specific antidote and must be administered promptly. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth pharmacology lectures.